Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off autoplay next episode. First let me open Netflix TV app. So here I want to turn off autoplay next episode, but you could not find that option in Netflix TV app. But there is a way to do that. First you have to install Netflix mobile app in your mobile phone. Then open Netflix mobile app. Then you have to log into same account. Then select your profile. Then tap on this icon over here, my Netflix icon. Tap on these three lines on top right corner. Go to manage profiles. Again select your profile. Go down. Here you can see autoplay next episode. Here we can turn on or off autoplay next episode. So we can control this at profile level. So when you turn off autoplay next episode here, it will reflect in your TV app also in the same profile. So this way we can control. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.